Right, here we go. So, we all cards on the table took a bad trade before this. In typical fashion. Yeah, it just is what it is. But we have this area here where we've come down back into those EMAs. We've broken this downtrend. We're starting to move back up. So looking at the wicks there, we've had a doji candle previous. Oh, this is 2 minute candle. Long wick on the bottom of this candle here. So we're in. It was just one contract, then added in two, then added in three. Starting to move our stops now. It's pushing up. I think the big takeaway for today was that we managed the trades quite nicely. We were moving them up. We were moving our stops up. I feel like we got into the trades at the right time and we got out of them at the right time as well, moving the stops nicely. A little bit of momentum there as well, which was nice. This one, started recording a bit late to the party, but coming down again, maybe a little bit risky this one because we were shorting in as we've changed into an uptrend and we're starting to short now. But I think we were looking really at the 1 hour time frame and sort of seeing where that was coming into. And then here again, this was another nice one. We got our stops at the bottom. Previous candle there. We've just started with one contract and we start to add into it as we go. This was quite a long trade. It went on for a little while. But it was a good one, and again, we managed it nicely. So I was really happy. I think the account after today was up by about halfway to passing the eval. Unfortunately, we had a bit of silliness afterwards, and we ended up blowing the account completely later on as we opened the next day. But that's for another video for another time. And we had to sit through a bit of chop here, but I was happy with adding into it because I might have added into it again actually from here. I might have added up to 4 contracts, but I don't think that I did. 3 contracts isn't bad really. I don't mind trading it at 3 contracts. It's not too bad because the stops, even like a 20-point stop's manageable with 3 contracts. It's not too bad. And you start getting to 5 contracts, it starts getting a little bit out of hand, especially because your winners, typically speaking, aren't necessarily as high as our losers, but that's just fucking is what it is. I'm not getting into that one. So it took a little while to actually start to go. We were sort of like building up for a push. But there it starts to move. I think it pulls back, starts to move again. Got to be conscious that we're at VWAP there. But so we got we got quite a lot of points out of that and managed it in the same way as we did the first trade. So can't argue with that. It's not bad. We'll leave it there.